Welcome back to Simplexity Kids.
This is Guess the Bird in 5 seconds. It might sound easy, but the quiz gets harder as we go.
Before starting, please subscribe to the Simplexity Kids channel for more exciting quizzes.
Let's begin. Are you able to guess? Sparrow? What is it? Robin? You are doing great. Blue jay? Time is up. Cardinal? You know this one. Crow? Good job. You are right, it's a pigeon. Any idea? Seagull. What is it? Eagle. Are you able to guess? Hawk. What is it? Owl. You are doing great. Hummingbird. Time is up. Woodpecker? You know this one. Finch? Good job. You are right, it's a swallow. Are you able to guess? Starling. Any idea? Blackbird? What is it? Magpie? What is it? Wren? Chickadee? You are doing great. Time is up. Titmouse? You know this one. Jay? Good job. Thrush? You are right, it's a warbler. Any idea? Kingfisher? What is it? Heron? Are you able to guess? Crane? What is it? Pelican? You are doing great. Duck? Time is up. Goose? You know this one. Swan? Good job. Puffin? You are right, it's a albatross. Any idea? Falcon? What is it? Kestrel? Are you able to guess? Vulture? What is it? Cormorant? You are doing great. Tern? Time is up. Gull? You know this one. Osprey? Good job. Stork? You are right, it's a sandpiper. Any idea? Egret. What is it? Ostrich? Are you able to guess? Emu? What is it? Kiwi? You are doing great. Toucan? Time is up. Flamingo? You know this one. Peacock? Good job. You are right, it's a parakeet. Any idea? Cockatoo. How many different birds were you able to guess? Let us know how you did in the comments section. Thank you so much for playing.